A big hello and welcome back to my channel Stay Fit with Deepika. Continuing with our Pilates series, in today's episode we are going to target the abdominal muscles. All the exercises that you will learn today will help you strengthen and tone your abdomen. A lot of people who constantly suffer from lower back pain is not only because they have weak muscles in their lower back, it is also because their abdominals are weak. So once you're able to balance your abdomen and your lower back muscles, you can get rid of the lower back pain. So this workout will be very beneficial for people who have back issues. Also, a lot of women who face rectus diastasis, which means the separation of your rectus abdominis muscles once you have given birth to a child, they will also benefit from this workout. Besides that, athletes and runners who are looking at strengthening their core so that they're able to perform their tasks better and they're able to run faster, they will also benefit from this workout. So grab a mat and join me. Before we start the abdominal workout, we will learn how to imprint the spine. Imprinting means sealing this gap between your lower back and the mat. For that, you need to push your ribcage down, push your tailbone up so that your pelvic bone moves closer to the ribcage, and pull your belly button tightly towards the spine. Now if you see, there is no more gap between your lower back and the mat, which means your spine is imprinted on the mat. Now let's practice imprinting a few times. So arch your back, lifting your ribcage up, and then push it back down into the floor. Again, arch your back, lifting the ribcage up and push it back down. Pull your belly button in towards your spine. Now maintaining that imprint, lift your right leg up and then your left leg up. The first exercise that we are going to do is called as single leg pull. So just pull your leg towards your head, and every time you do that, exhale through the mouth. We'll do 10 repetitions of that. And then hold the left leg up and pulse the right leg up and down 5 times. Keep exhaling through the mouth and keep pulling your belly button towards the spine. Now switch side. Again we'll do 10 single leg pulls. Exhaling through the mouth, pulling your belly button in towards the spine. Hold the right leg up and pulse the left leg up and down 5 times. Maintaining an engaged abdomen. Now moving on to single knee pull. Your leg will be bent and you will be pulling your knee towards your chin. Let's do 10 repetitions on each side. Every time you pull your knee, exhale through the mouth. And then quickly stretch the abdominal muscles. Moving on to the next exercise. Again, imprint your spine and lift both the legs up at 90 degrees to the floor. Dropping down both the legs to 60 degrees and pull them back up. Now the point to remember is when you're dropping your legs down, you're still pulling your belly button in towards the spine and you are maintaining the spinal imprint. Do not let go of the spinal imprint. 10 repetitions and then a quick stretch. Let's move on to hip raise next. Lifting your legs up, you will push your hip up, engaging your lower back and your lower abdomen. And as you do that, exhale through the mouth. Try to lift it up as high as you can, keeping your shoulders relaxed. And gently come back down. So on your way down, you should not be coming down too quickly. Come down with a lot of control on your spine. And from there, straight into the next movement. So the legs go all the way up above your head. And very slowly, with full control on your spine, come back. Let's repeat. All the way over the head. Open, close, full control on your spine as you move back. Again, let's do 10 repetitions of that. Do not let go the control on your spine. On your way back, again, keep pulling the belly button in engaging your abdominals. Let's go back and stretch the abdominals quickly once. Point your toes, stretch your arms above the head, lengthen your body, and repeat imprinting. Maintaining the imprint now, we lift the legs up again for the bicycles. Now we are going to move very slowly in the bicycle, and as we do that, we will draw the elbow towards the knee. In this exercise, what you should not be doing is squeezing your elbows together. So make sure that your elbows are wide apart all the time. We are going to hold the knee close to the opposite elbow and then pulse the other leg up and down, maintaining a very stable torso. Once we're done with 10 repetitions, we are going to hold the knee close to the opposite elbow, pulse the leg up and down with an exhalation. Go back down, and one final stretch. Point your toes, stretch your arms above the head, pulling your abdominals in two opposite directions, creating more length in the abdomen. And relax. So those were a few exercises to help you strengthen and tone your abdomen. You can do them in a series just like I did, and then you can do repetitions of the entire circuit. In the beginning, 3 to 4 repetitions should be good enough. If you like the workout, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.